Alright, y'all, good afternoon. Today, we got a Zildjian a custom projection crest 16-inch. And as you can tell right here, we got crack right here. It's about an inch, probably a little less than that. And we also have, where's it at? A smaller crack right there. It's a little small. So the way we're going to pair that, we're going to wave it out like so. So, before we do, let's give a little sound test. Alright, the crack's still there, but we don't want that crack in the cymbal any longer. Let's take care of this baby. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian a custom projection crest 16-inch, and as you can tell, the crack has been smoothed out. There's no more crack within the cymbal whatsoever. So, let's give this little simple sound test.